The St. Rita's public school is being run by a Christian management. This is a CBSE syllabus school. Some of the Muslim students came to school with hijab. The school management objected it. It created some law and order problems. The management approached the Honorable High Court for police protection for running the school and also for conducting the examination. The High Court gave protection and the examination is being conducted. The Minister of Education in Kerala firstly condemned the stand of the students, but later on he changed his stand and now he is condemning the management. Anyway, this issue had already been settled. In 2018, in one school, some of the Muslim girl students came to the school with a scarf. The management objected it. The matter was taken before the Honorable High Court. The High Court ruled that the private interest cannot override the larger interest, or rather the public interest. The school has prescribed uniform. At the time of joining the school, the parent and the students are agreeing the terms and conditions. The terms and conditions include the uniform for the school. So they are bound to obey it. And we can see that the judgment of the Honorable High Court rendered by Justice Mustak in WPC number 35293/2020 has become the law. We know Article 141 says the judgments of the Supreme Court has got the characteristics of law. Similarly, the orders or judgments passed by the High Court also gets the characteristics of law under Article 215 of the Constitution. So now the law is that the students cannot choose their own dress code for attending the school. They should strictly follow the directions regarding the uniform, and only by wearing that uniform the students can attend the school.